Guys, welcome to our very first code trailer. My name is Kweku Bright from CodeQ Academy, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to install Bootstrap. If you attended our maiden bootcamp, you realize that we talked about Bootstrap, what it is used for. But let me give you a brief about it once again. So Bootstrap is a CSS framework, okay, that is used for styling websites, to make websites beautiful. The issue is if you don't use a responsive framework like Bootstrap, you find out that you have to be scrolling horizontally or vertically at some point on certain screen sizes before you can view all the contents on your web page. So Bootstrap makes websites responsive. Okay. Now we can install Bootstrap using the CDN, the Content Delivery Network, or we can download the Bootstrap files directly on our machine. Today, I want to take you through how to install Bootstrap using CDN. To install Bootstrap, you need to get the link to the CSS files. So CDN is Content Delivery Network, which means that Bootstrap has hosted the source files on a particular server, and you are given a link to actually pull the file from there into your project. Okay, so to install Bootstrap using CDN, when we get to getbootstrap.com, we scroll down to the Bootstrap CDN section, as you can see on the screen, Bootstrap CDN section. And this is the link to include the CSS file into our project. And these are all links to include the JavaScript files into our project. How can we do that? How can we get Bootstrap to come to life on our web page? So we're going to do that by creating a simple HTML file. Okay, so in this file I have my structure declared nicely here, the doc type, HTML, head, title, body, everything is set up. I'm ready to include Bootstrap. Remember, you can only include CSS files in the head section. It is advisable that you do that so that all your files are in the head section for the CSS files. So what I'm going to do is to copy the link, the CDN link, just like that. I copy and I paste it below the title tag in the head section. So just like that. Great. So I have included the Bootstrap CSS file into my project. Now I'll go ahead to include the JavaScript files as well. So I go back to Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com, and all I need to do is to copy these links. Okay, I copy them. Great. So I can decide to paste the JavaScript links in the head tag, or I can decide to paste it in the body tag. Okay, for some reasons, let's paste it in the body tag. So we have the JavaScript files pasted like that. So the JavaScript files are pasted right before the closing body tag, which is this. Okay, and the reason why we normally do this is sometimes the JavaScript files take time to load. Okay, so we want our page to show to the user even before certain scripts are loaded, so that our website will be a little bit faster. That's why normally we put the JavaScript files before the closing body tag, but with the, the CSS files, the links to the CSS files, we put them in the head tag. So having done this, I have a complete installation of Bootstrap. So I didn't download any Bootstrap file. I just used the Content Delivery Network, the links that Bootstrap has provided, and I have my Bootstrap installed. In the next code trailer, we are going to be doing how to create navigation bars using Bootstrap. I hope you enjoyed our very first code trailer, and we look forward to receiving feedback on how to make this better. Thank you.